Howdy folks, I'm Alan Butler with Butler Contracting. Today we're going to talk about home service plans. One of the things we got a lot of calls about was multiple different projects that folks needed done around the house. Whether you just have a busy lifestyle, you don't have time to do certain things, whether you don't have all the tools or the knowledge or capability of doing it. Maybe you might be elderly or retired, or you simply would just rather sit on the porch and drink some sweet tea with your finest beverage on the backyard oasis that we built for you in the past. That's fine. We're able to come over and help you out with all the service that you need at your home. So one of the things that we put together for our clients is an annual service maintenance package. So we can do an annual or a biannual package. And that has multiple different services on there for you to choose from as far as what you need done around the home. So some of the big ticket items that we see, and we definitely recommend that we come in annually and we check out your plumbing fixtures. A lot of times we see water leaks and they're generally preventable, and they cause a lot of damage in the home. And that could be from your angle stops, your shut-off valves. It could be from something leaking under a faucet. Maybe we actually had to see a lot of shower and diverter valves in the walls for tubs and showers that are leaking inside the wall cavity. There's lots of things we can do to do some preventative maintenance by coming around and doing some annual inspections. If something's wrong with that, we can get our licensed plumber out there to help you get that serviced and repaired and fixed correctly, so you don't have a more costly situation to deal with down the road. In addition to that, we also offer a lot of other services. Some of the things that we're going to come over and help you out with is looking at your dryer vent. So dryer vents are one of the commonly overlooked things in home maintenance throughout the year annually. The number one cause of household fires start with your dryer. So we definitely want to make sure we're getting that thing annually serviced and cleaned. If you feel like there's a need to do that more often, you might have something unique going on in your house, give us a call. We definitely come over and do an inspection on that, clean it out. But we clean the entire pipe, the venting, inside the dryer, inside the lint trap, make sure everything's cleaned out 100% and it's ready to go and it's safe for you and your family. In addition to that, we offer 9-point inspections on your home. We're going to come over and do things like inspect the foundation. We're going to use a particular tool called the zip level, go around your house, see what exactly is going on with the home foundation. We live in Central Texas, and just the nature of where we live, we have a lot of unstable soils, a lot of sand, a lot of clay. Things are moving and shifting around all the time. So it's extremely important, at least annually, to get that inspected and checked out. If you may need some kind of leveling or shimming or something done if you're on a pier and beam or a mobile home type situation. Slabs, if you have a lot of drainage issues, or you might have something subsiding or sinking, you're really not going to know how severe it is. We see lots of variations when it comes to foundation shifting. There's not always great signs that you have foundation shifting unless it's real severe. Sometimes there might be doors sticking, there could be cracks in the drywall and the ceiling and the walls. There's lots of different signs that we can look for, but oftentimes once those things start to show up, it's because they're more of an extreme problem versus catching it early and doing some preventative measures. You may have been able to prevent some of it by putting gutters on your home. It could have been something about fixing drainage that was outside. There's multiple different things we could look at. So we're going to help you and use the proper equipment and tools to do that, so you can get an honest third-party independent assessment of what's going on with the foundation. We're not a foundation leveling company, so we're not just there to sell you leveling your foundation, which we see and hear a lot of from our customers. They get a lot of feedback. Sometimes we come over with our equipment, we do that inspection, and clients ask me what tool I'm using, because the last guy that told them their foundation was 8 inches off didn't have any equipment or resources that we brought over to do that inspection. So that's one of the differences that we offer, and it's really important to us to make sure that you're taken care of. In addition to the foundation inspection, we're going to go around and check all your windows and doors in the home, make sure there's not any trim rotting, you have leaks around the windows. And one of the big things we see, especially in new builds, we've replaced it on homes as young as 2 years old, where we've had rot and trim on the windows and the doors. And that's due to just the way builders build some things sometimes. They use subpar materials to slap things together. There are some great builders out there, but there's some who definitely cut corners, and we don't want to see you with a situation that's causing thousands of dollars worth of damage in a new home that you invested in. That's just ridiculous, and we don't want you to have to go through that. In addition to the window and door inspections, we're going to check out your roof, do a roof inspection, check and see, make sure everything's going well up there. If there might be any storm damage that you didn't know about, maybe there's some shingles that blew up, there might be excessive debris on that roof. We're going to get that cleaned off for you. We're going to clean out your gutters, make sure things are flowing and functioning correctly. So there's lots of different options on our service plan. So go ahead and go to our website at butler.contractors and click on our service plans tab, and you'll be able to find all the cool service plans that we offer. But one of the big ones that we offer is an annual and biannual plan with that home service package. So if you're interested in looking at that and getting signed up for it, give us a call or check it out on our website. We'll see you on your next project.